Hyderabad is an important seat of learning in southern India. The education infrastructure attracts students from all over India and some international students, especially from Africa and Middle East. Sarojini Naidu Vanita Mahavidyalaya is a premier education institution in the state of Telangana. It is one of the leading colleges in the southern states of India. Sarojini Naidu Vanita Mahavidyalaya was established in 1962 by Osmania Graduate Association and Exhibition Society. In 1969, the noted freedom fighter Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, popularly known as Frontier Gandhi, laid the foundation stone for the main building of the college. Since the time of its inception, it has always been the endeavor of Sarojini Naidu Vanita Mahavidyalaya to keep abreast and be ahead of its times. The institution offers all the conventional courses at undergraduate level in arts, science and commerce to cater to the growing urge of higher education for women in the conservative sections of the society.
Warm welcome to all the first semester students to the prestigious institution Sarojini Naidu Vanita Mahavidyalaya, located in exhibition grounds in Hyderabad. So I first of all thank the first semester students who have taken an initiative to give a glimpse of Vanita to all the Vanitaites who are going to join this institution physically, most probably from 1st of February 2021. Our college is definitely different from all the other colleges because Vanita offers academics, and apart from academics, it also offers an n number of extracurricular and co-curricular activities. If you look at the academic part of Vanita Mahavidyalaya, we can proudly say that we have all the 4 streams in our institution, like we have BA, BBA, BCom and BSc, and BSc includes life sciences as well as physical sciences. So there are many possibilities of choosing different optionals and fulfilling the interests of the students.
Sarojini Naidu Vanita Mahavidyalaya has a team of highly qualified and truly dedicated teaching staff whose endeavor is to give their best to the students.
I would like to tell the first semester students that though the academic year has begun in the month of December, you are bound to get plenty of time for completion of syllabus, because the UGC has planned accordingly and the university shall also plan accordingly, where there will be at least 3 months time given to the students for completion of their first semester, and only after that they shall have their exams. If you look at the 3rd and the 5th semester students presently, they also began a little late. They should have begun in June, but they began in September. But they have been in a position to complete it by January, and now they are going to have their 2nd and 4th semester exams. So 3 months is quite sufficient time for completion of syllabus. So your exams will be delayed, your internals will also be delayed, the semester will be delayed, but sufficient time will be provided by the university for completion of syllabus of all the subjects, including the practicals. So first semester students, you don't need to worry about anything.
It is the first college to install the internet to facilitate the research student to access information from the world. Sarojini Naidu Vanita Mahavidyalaya has a vision for training women for a challenging future through value-based education.
We have a video of Sarojini Naidu Vanita Mahavidyalaya which gives a glimpse of the whole college, right from the entrance onwards, the principal's room, the office, the various labs and the classrooms that are there. they are bound to give you a glimpse of the whole institution. And apart from that, I'm very proud to say that a group of 7 students who have taken an initiative to record the whole institution, video record the whole institution, and make it convenient for the first semester students who have not visited the institution to have a glimpse of their college, that is Vanita, because they are members of the Vanita family. So you are most welcome from 1st February. Mostly I think it is going to open up offline. So we welcome all the first semester students to come at least to have a glimpse of the institution once, so that they can proudly say that they are the students of Sarojini Naidu Vanita Mahavidyalaya.